Okay, I am going to try and show y'all how I make this broccoli casserole. It is good. So here I have 3 cups of I use Zatarains rice, and that is the broccoli florets. I actually ball this together, and so I am going to get all the rice and the broccoli out of there. I boil it together, and unfortunately with this you do have to rinse that rice, get that starch off. You don't want all the starch in your dish. Okay, so here I sauteed my vegetables along with a pound of ground beef, and it was I don't use celery in this dish, so I had onion, bell pepper, garlic, and green onion. Okay. To this, you add a can of cream of mushroom soup. I only like to use Campbell's. I have tried the others. Sometimes they're watery. Sometimes the consistency of it actually doesn't taste like cream of mushrooms or cream of chicken. I only use the Campbell's cream of soups. I have tried the other ones. I don't like them. So, but it's your choice. It's your kitchen. Whatever you like, use it. Just for me and my taste buds, I like Campbell's. Yeah, I don't have much counter space at all. Okay. And this cheese whiz. Y'all end up paying $5 for this. Usually I can get it for $3 something. $3.38 at Kroger, $3.88 at Walmart. It went up at Kroger too though, but it was $4.98. Had it not been a holiday, it probably would have got left in the store. And the reason why I use this, it gets just about all of it out of there, if you can see. I don't like to leave anything in there. If this would be something that I could take and put I've rinsed it out or something to get everything I got. Hey, I paid for it. I want to use it all. Okay, and so all you do is mix this together. And I probably need 6 spoons, because this is not doing. I use that in my okay, it's going to be a lot better here. And these spoons like this, I bought these from a restaurant supply store. I just like them. They're sturdy. And all you're doing is mixing this up thoroughly. And then I'm going to switch it to a baking dish and bake it. Use a dish, I go ahead and run water through it. That's why you hear water in the background a lot when I'm cooking, because if you rinse it out while it's still warm with cold water, your cleanup time will be less cleanup. Okay, so I'm not completely through stirring it, but I want to go ahead and add my Tony seasoning. I use this in just about everything but cabbage. Onion powder. A hit of accent. Too much of making stuff bitter. This is Cayenne Pepper, but I had it in something didn't have a spout. So you want to add this because it amps up the flavor. Garlic powder. And I did use fresh garlic with the vegetables. And this to me is the best black pepper. This is better than that Watkins black pepper we used to buy back in the day. This restaurant grind black pepper from Sam's, the best to me. Alright. And so all we do is mix this up. And then we're going to bake it. If you like, you can put a little cheese on the top. I don't. This is all the cheese I put in mine. And I got plenty of Velveeta cheese in there, but I don't want it in this dish. I think the cheese that it has in it, that cheese whiz is enough. It gives it a good flavor. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in a thing and bake it, and I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like when it's done. Alright.